Alright, I'm going to take a minute here to show you how to manage your report after you've already published it. So once you logged in, so this is going to be your main page here, you can click on whichever report you want to work with. So for instance, I'm just going to pick this one right here. And once you get to this page, you're going to hit yes. And this is only if you don't have any open reports. So if you're working on a report that you have maybe half finished, and you want to change a different report, it will erase everything in your working report that you haven't published yet. So you want to be aware of that. But if you have no working reports, you can go ahead and click yes. And then it's going to load up. And then now your screen comes up here. And this is where you can make any type of changes that you need to. Up here kind of gives you a little bit of an explanation of some things. But these yellow buttons are what you're looking at. So these are all, you can change things, edits here, add descriptions. This is after the report is already published. You can still go back in and change things. So say for instance we're working on these photos. We're trying to change some photos out, or even if you didn't put some in and you're going back and putting them in, you just want to say right here, we'll work with number 1 here. So we want to edit this. And then see, now here's how, this is what I wrote in. So this is my information I wrote in. Here's the thing I checked, it was safety and then repair and replace. So those are already good. But down here, we've got select pictures. So now we'll select that. Right here, I only have 2 pop up because those are the 2 that I already have selected. All my other pictures are already in the report somewhere. If I want to choose another picture and use it multiple times, all I have to do is right here where it says show all pictures. I'll click that. Now all my pictures come back up, and then I can choose some other ones. Say I want to add this one too. It can go in there as well. I don't want to add that, so I'm going to just click out of it. But then, so you can choose between this. Like I said, the hide assigned pictures just gives you an easier way to work with it throughout the report. That way, once you've used it, you can get rid of it. Just use a note, put a little side note if you're going to want to use a picture multiple times, and then you can always toggle back and forth between these two. And then again, you can change the size of the image by clicking these small, medium, large thumbnail sizes. I typically use the small one. So once you've picked your pictures, then you can just go over here, click OK, and that's going to bring you back here. It should say to selected right next to where it says selected pictures right here. And once you've done that, this is all your information is good. You've picked your category, added your pictures. You can now hit save. So right here, we'll hit save. It's going to work on it, and there it is. So like I said, I'll show you a little example. So we'll just kind of go through it. So I'll edit, and then I want to change a picture. So I'm going to hit select pictures, show all, and I'm just going to pretend to put this one on there. So hit OK, save, and then as you can see, this new picture is now up there. And then now, if you want to add a caption or anything, say I want to put an arrow. I'm going to click arrow. You can do different things. Circle, arrow, rectangle here. Change different colors. So I want to do a green circle. I can now, click on the center, and then now there's a circle right around the house. So again, I don't want to do that, but if I did, I could do save and return, and then now there it is. Now I've got that. That goes same right here, this little arrow. That's how I did that. I put that little arrow inside there. As you can see, there's different ones. I put arrows here for the grading issue, tuck pointing needs done here. So you can do that at this time. So now once you've got your picture here, you can make changes to it. So that pretty much sums that up. And then once you get all your pictures in here, so once you made all those changes, you have all your pictures organized. See how this is how it should look, where you've got different pictures for each individual topic. So once you have all those pictures in there, you'll be down here at the bottom, and then you will just, or I'm sorry, actually it is actually at the top. You will just hit your save. And you'll come up here and you hit publish. Right here in this top, up in this description, it's kind of hidden up there, but once you're completely done and ready to publish it again, you can hit publish, and then all your changes will be made at that time. So that pretty much takes care of that, and you can follow up. I will send another video out that will describe how to do it from the very, very beginning. So I hope this is helpful. Yeah.